Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Tuesday night. This is going to be your Tuesday night update. It's January 14th. It's about 5:17. So, busy day. Didn't film a whole lot, so I'm just going to kind of run you through what we got done over here on the Apache and on the Miata, and we'll go from there. So, let's start with the Apache. So here we go. 1958 Chevy Apache. What we did is, well, you notice probably the biggest thing is the door's back on it. Went ahead and mounted the door back up. It fit good. Big Ron went ahead and welded up the cab mount to the bottom of the floor. So this is all in now. Now, he also went ahead and, you can see the screws, used some self-tappers to get the floor panel in, the floorboard panel in, and then also he made this piece. So we'll get all that welded in tomorrow, and which is kind of exciting. This will all be in tomorrow, and then we're going to keep rolling. I think we'll finish welding this stuff up, and then we'll start moving back, right?
Yep.
And then we'll start hitting.
That's 18 gauge.
This?
Yeah.
Now it's an 18 gauge piece of metal in here. So as this comes together, guys, it's starting to look like something. So stay tuned for all of this, and we're just going to keep busting this thing out. Now, let's look at the Miata. So we'll just make this quick. I know a lot of you aren't really interested in the Miata, but some of you are. So Project Miata, 1991 Miata, doing suspension. So this is before. This is what the driver's side looks like. Wheel well, suspension, all that. And I just finished up the passenger side. Kind of here's what we got. Let me get out. Painted the caliper red. Painted the control arms. Painted the spring silver just to give it some contrast. So what we did here, pretty basic. Disassembled this entire suspension. Okay. Went ahead, cleaned the wheel well, went in with Pour 15, hit any rust spots, scraped off some undercoating, and then took some duplicolor bed armor in a spray can, which is like a bed liner, and went around and did the wheel well with it. Okay. Then we went ahead and the upper control arm, we pressed out the stock control arm bushings and pressed in urethane bushings. You can see those there, the blue. And then it's got the stock, the original ball joint on the front. I didn't touch that, it was good. I scuffed this up, washed it, and painted it shiny black. Then lower control arm, did the bushings as well, and a new ball joint, lower ball joint. And then we've got new shocks, KYB shocks, with the boot with the bump stop, and new top hats. And then we got under here, new sway bar end links are in, or not, sway bar bushings are in, the new sway bar end links are in, the new steering arm on this side of the steering rack with the new steering rack boot, and the new tie rod. All of that is in. Now tomorrow I have to go through this and torque everything down, so you'll see like back here, you know, this ball joint nut is just threaded a little bit on there. It didn't really all done, but we're getting somewhere, guys. We're starting to get somewhere. So I think it looks really good. I think it's going to handle really well. We didn't really touch the brakes other than to paint the caliper and the bracket, so, and the backing plate and all that. So just a little bit of detail work. I mean, really is what we did. Trying to save the car for him. It had a little bit of rust. We're trying to take care of all that. And yeah, so I think you should be pretty happy with this. And we'll kind of see how it goes from here. But tomorrow I'll be doing the other side and finishing this up, putting the wheel well back in, the liner, and then torquing everything down, going to the other side, breaking it all apart. It should be way faster to do this side now that I have a pretty good idea what I'm doing, and I have all the tools and things here now. I did go ahead and PB blast all the bolts on this over the past couple days just so I'd have less of a challenge, and I think we're going to be cooking with hot grease here. So stay tuned for all this, guys. Project Miata is in full swing. Project Apache is in full swing. Everything's going well, and we should have some more content for you tomorrow. I'm going to film a lot more tomorrow, so be ready for that. Tomorrow will be a little bit longer video, but that's what I got for you guys. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. We'll be back tomorrow, and please like and subscribe to the videos. Thanks for all your support. Have a great night.